Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, and we are weekend ready here at the Coffee with Craig show. Finalizing up this week in Warsaw. Next week will be our Budapest week, week in Budapest. The whole team coming down for the CRE Awards on the Thursday in Budapest. So if you're in Southeastern, covering anything over Southeastern Europe or in Southeastern Europe, come to our event on this Thursday, the 20th in Budapest. We got great sponsors there, AFI Serbia, GLP, Newmark, VLK Hungary, Panettone, of course, they're doing stuff there, CDDI, DHL, that's new. DHL's down there with their supply chain operation. InPark, of course, big industrial developer. Wing, of course, everyone in Hungary for sure knows Wing. Eston Group as well. Eston, the consultants as well down there. And of course, New Work, our CEE Flex partner. So record number of sponsors, record number of also nominations and categories. So it'll be a lot of fun. We've got great entertainment as well. A lot of interesting gifts also on the way. So a couple new sponsors I see just coming in. Maybe we'll announce them on Monday. So we hope everyone's happy for the weekend. We hope everyone's coming to our CRE Awards on Thursday, the 20th. Then also the 27th. Of course, that week we're back here in Warsaw with the CEE Investment Awards. So again, another big, I think, just a couple of years of no events, or a year of not very many events. And it just seems like, this is, and now we're in event season all of a sudden. So
a lot of interest.
A lot of interest, and a lot of new sponsors, a lot of new investors on the PRS side. So great to see all of them. Big numbers. Straight after that, we'll have our CEE and retail guide for MIPIM as well. We're the international media partner for MIPIM on end of October, first day of December. So having said that, we'll take a little break, and we'll be right back in 20 seconds with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief for EuropaProperty.com. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. Welcome back, and Winston, great to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
This fine Friday. I'm glad I'm ready for a day off, I think, tomorrow, so it'll be good.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's been very hectic.
Very hectic week, and I see there's a lot of nominees, a lot of...
There's a lot of work to do still.
A lot of work to do still.
But
good.
yeah, we're closing it down now,
getting
and
it all put together.
We'll hopefully be ready to get on the plane and go to Budapest.
At some point. So, it's next week. Vacation, yeah.
Yeah. For you, Craig, it's always a vacation.
For me, for me, it's a vacation. Exactly. Anyway, we're meeting actually right off the plane. We're meeting InterTech as well, so they're doing some stuff with them. So interesting.
Give us a lift from the airport, yeah.
Maybe so. Well, maybe not right off the plane. Maybe the hotel. Yeah. So let us know what we've got going in the news today,
sure.
To wrap up the week.
So today we'll start in Poland, and the EBRD has lent 100 million euros for the new Gdansk port terminal. They've joined with a consortium of banks to finance the construction of the third deep water container terminal in Gdansk on the Baltic Sea, and this is part of this 100 million is part of a almost 900 million loan, which is like a financing package to which they've lent to the firms that have developed the owners of the deep water container terminal, which is DCT Gdansk and its parent company Baltic Hub. And the loan is to finance the construction of a new Terminal 3, and they're going to upgrade Terminals 1 and 2, and so they're going to add 717 meters of a deep water quay, and more land, and they're going to be equipped with first phase 7 energy-efficient ship-to-shore cranes and 20 semi-automated rail-mounted gantry cranes. So, yeah, this is one of the biggest shipping ports in the world now.
Well, you said deep water quay, like you understood what that meant.
Yeah, I know what deep water means.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was like, wow, what is that? Well,
they've got some very big boats with containers coming into that port there, and they're going to make it even deeper so they can get bigger boats. And you know what that means, Craig? Bigger boats, more stuff.
More stuff we can buy.
More stuff you can buy, good. Yeah. And the first ships are expected to arrive by 2024.
Uh-huh.
So they're well underway there, and the whole thing is expected to be completed by 2025. So some big development going up on the north in Gdansk there.
Well, definitely we should have them at our Baltics Awards. At least future project of the year and current projects of the year with this.
Yeah, I mean it's going to generate so many industries around it and business around it. So yeah, it'd be a big thing to focus on.
I'm sure the industrial guys are already developing in that area.
Yeah, I'm sure all the industrial guys are ready to take it on this extra imports that are coming in.
Now that they know the news from us. They will be.
Moving to Hungary, and in Budapest, VGP has completed the VGP Park Budapest Aerozone. This is a 10,000 square meter warehouse, which they've handed over to Boxy Logistica. And the entire complex is going to have 3 further phases just outside Budapest there. And it's going to be 50,000 square meters when it's fully built out. And I think, like we said yesterday or the day before, that around Budapest there's so much potential for last mile logistics that you've got a lot of developers going to that country now.
Well, a lot of developers looking at it and signing signing deals. Yeah,
that's right.
Panettone being one.
Panettone, CTP, they're all there now. Moving on, and in Poland, in Warsaw, the Skyliner office building owned by Karambol Group has welcomed Wento as their latest tenant. This is a renewable energy developer. They're going to occupy about 1,500 square meters in the office block. And Wento, they develop wind farms in Poland, and they've been heavily involved with solar projects recently. So, helping to go carbon zero there. And they'll move in March 2023, and the leasing process was brokered by CBRE. And finally for today, staying in Poland, and Access Business Group, it's a long-standing client of the MLP Group, and they've relocated their operations to another logistics park in the developer's portfolio, and this is the expanding MLP Park Pruszków 2. And this modern logistics park, which again located near Warsaw, about 5 kilometers away, it's got a target leasable area of almost 400,000 square meters. So, wow.
Another one we can see from space, I think. Yeah?
I think so, yeah.
Well, good. That sounds exciting. And thanks for ending our weekend on our weekday on some big logistics and big ports and marinas. So thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show, and stay safe and have an exciting weekend. And we will see you Monday morning for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.